boys and girls. I thought today I would read A Big Guy Took My Ball by Mo Willems. It's a good book, and I hope you're watching Mo Willems on YouTube. He's doing lots of great things during the day. Okay, so we're going to read this book. It's called A Big Guy Took My Ball. Here we go. Hey, Gerald! Gerald! I found a big ball, and it was so much fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball. I am so upset. Look at his little heart broke. So sad. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? I can't turn the page here. What makes those big guys think that they are so big? Their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from that big guy. Let's see what's going to happen. Uh-oh, I don't know. There goes Gerald. Oh, look, he's my hero. Can you see Gerald? He's going away. Uh-oh, where's Gerald going? Where's Gerald going? Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Let's go see. Ready? Oh! Oh, no, look. Oh no, what's gonna happen? Oh no, Gerald ran. Look, up. I think Gerald's running away. Let's see. Oh, did you get my ball back? Did you get it? That is a big guy. You did not tell me how big he was. He is very big. B-I-G. Oh no, let's see what happens. He's bigger than me. He's much bigger. I am smaller than he is. I'm much smaller than him. He is so biggity big, Gerald. You did not get my ball back, did you? I did not. Excuse me. Oh, they got knocked over. That was such a big voice. Let's see who it is. Thank you for finding my little ball. Keep reading. Thank you for finding my little ball. That is your ball, and you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? Ooh, that sounds like a good game. What's whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. Oh, wow, they're going to make it up yet. That is so good. Oh, with a little help, we can all have some big fun. Look at that. They are having fun. Well, that's the first book we're going to read. Then I would like to read another book, also by Mo Willems. It's called There's a Bird on My Head. There's a bird on your head. Let's see if we can read this one. I'm just going to focus a little bit so you can see just the book here. Okay. There's a bird on your head. Let's see what's going to happen. La 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 la. They're just sitting quietly. La 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 la. Piggy? Piggy, is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Okay. What are two birds doing on my head? Oh, they are in love. Look, they have a little heart. They're in love. Oh. The birds on my head are in love? Yes, they are lovebirds. Oh no. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? Well, they are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Look at Piggy smiling. I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? You have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I don't want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. Up, they have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Oh, well, where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh, he looks mad. Look at that face. Look at that. Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay. I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Oh, no problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very, very much. You are welcome. Did you see what happened? That's so funny. He asked him to go, and that's what happened. So those are the 2 books, and I'm going to try to have my son ride a unicycle because I'm going to show you 3 things that have wheels. I'm going to show you something that has 1 wheel, something that has 2 wheels, and something that has 4 wheels. So that'll be the next video. Bye, guys.